Good morning, students. In last lecture, we studied elimination method. We had solved exercise 3.4. Now further is the cross multiplication method. But as per your new syllabus, it has been removed. Method is removed, but questions are important because questions finally will be a pair of linear equation, and a pair of linear equation can be solved by many methods. Already we have studied, like a substitution method, like elimination method. Only cross multiplication method we will leave. We will not learn cross multiplication method because it is not in your syllabus. Okay, but questions are important. So we will do, we cannot drop whole the section, like we cannot drop 3.5 because in 3.5 exercise all different kind of questions is available. So we won't waste time, we'll directly go because we don't have to learn now any special method here, but we recall our knowledge, and based on that knowledge we have further questions like I have taught you for a1x plus b1y plus c1, or a2x plus b2y plus c2. These equations also may be like a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Both are acceptable in both cases only if system has unique solution. You remember, student, it comes a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. This is called consistent solution, unique solution. This time graphs intersect at one point. Second system has no solution. What comes, you remember? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, but finally not equal to c1 upon c2. That time system has no solution, lines are parallel. And third section is system has infinite solution. It means a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 all are equal. This time system, the lines are coincides in the graph, and this is again called a consistent solution. So these two called consistent, it is inconsistent solution. This is a recall because the further questions is based on that. In further question, what kind of question may become? Like, suppose here 2 is given, suppose here k is given, it is a 3 is given, it is a 4 given, it is a 7 given, it is something like 5 given. And if question says for these two system of these two equation, if system has unique solution, find the value of k. Meaning this time you would have provided the kinds of solution, the types of solution, and then definitely an unknown quantity will be hidden and you have to find that unknown quantity like k. So what kind of question may come? If equations has unique solution, find the value of k, meaning you have to use this concept, and then you have to find the value of k. So I won't waste time. If you would have infinite many solutions, you have to go through this. If you have no solution, you have to go through this. So one by one, whatever the situations will come, you have to follow that one according to the condition, according to the question. Okay, so let me run because already I have taught you all this in earlier sections. So we can move on a further question. So we have a good question, good exercise. This is as far as exam is concerned. Question says some example, like example number 15. It is, for what value of p does pair has unique solution? Like 4x plus py plus 8, 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Very easy question. Now look at and try to understand, student. We have two equations. First, because it is told here, find the value of p. This unknown p we have to find out. And system has unique solution given. So meaning you have to follow the condition of unique solution and find your p. Before that, on comparing as usual, by a1x plus b1y plus c1 a2x plus b2y plus c2. So a1 will be 4, b1 will be p, c1 will be 8, a2 will be 2, b2 will be 2 and c2 will be 2. a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Since what you will write, system has unique solution. This is not from my side, it is already given. System has unique solution. What you will write? a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. Let me speak. This is a certain condition because its system has what kind of solution? Unique solution. So this is certain. Now put to the values. A1 is 4, a2 is 2, not equal to p upon 2. Don't afraid about that. It works as a equal to sign. So 2 will cross multiply here. 2 4s are 8. 8 by 2. 8 by 2 equal to 4. 8 by 2 equal to 4. So p is not equal to 4. So we want to find the value of p, but it comes p not 4. So it's simple meaning that p cannot 4, but p can attain all the value except 4. P can be all the real number except 4. P not equal to 4 meaning p cannot 4. But except 4, p can be. Like I will write here, therefore except 4, p can attain any real number. I think that's an answer. So it means that p cannot be 4. So what p can be? P can be 5, p can be 6, p can be 7, p can be minus 5, p can be half or something like that. So any real number, but except 4. So hope it is good enough to tell you. Now further similar example 16 is also very good. Example 16. We have two equations. I am not writing the statement here. We have equation. First I am going to copy them. These two equations we are having, ky minus k, and question says for what value of k find k if system has infinite solution. When system has infinite solution, so a lack of space we have, that's why in short I have written system has infinite solution and you want to find the value of k, you can read the question properly from the book. Okay, so first of all look at your equations. Equation should be in a proper order, like a1x plus b1y, that is c1, a2x plus b2y plus c2. So on comparing by these two, so their space is not there, that's why I am not writing these two equations for comparing. Directly I am comparing. Now look at properly the board. Here a1 equal to k, b1 equal to 3, that c1 equal to minus k minus 3. Keep remember, don't ignore the minus sign. Now a2 is equal to 12, b2 is equal to k, c2 is equal to fully minus k. Now already we have got all these. Now what the condition we have for infinite solution? Since system has infinite solution, so that what will come, I have made it right here, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, and go with this. A1 is what? K, a2 is 12, b1 is 3, b2 is k, c1 is minus k minus 3 and minus k. This is very interesting case. Very interesting case this is. So look at properly. All are equal. So guys, you have to take one by one two pairs. Like first I will choose initial two. K upon 12 is equal to 3 upon k. K will k multiply k square is equal to 12 to 36. So student, I want to say something because now you are in 10th class. You should know whenever square root will be taken, plus and minus both sign will follow. Like k is equal to not only 6 but plus minus 6 will be. So don't say it is answer because it's yet a condition remaining. Because these and these are equal. So we have to go on another case. Like this equal to this or this equal to this. I am choosing this equal to this. 3 by k is equal to minus and minus cancel. So only what remaining? K minus 3 upon k. K minus 3 upon k. So look at guys, these two, and further I want to say something. K and k seems cancelled, but don't cancel because we want to find the value of k. K is variable this time, and variable cannot cancel in division or multiplication like that. So don't cancel K and K, but you do the cross multiply and find your final answer. Like what? K will multiply that 3K. Now these two will multiply like K square minus 3K. Now 3K will transfer that side or transfer all this side. 3K plus 3K minus K square also. Now these two will be 6K minus K square equal to 0. Take out K common. Look at, take out K common. 6 minus K is equal to 0. We have a two option, guys. Either, because this is in multiplication, so either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. We already have studied polynomials in class 9th. I think it is they be same. So this time it is equal to 0, so that it is equation. So how to deal this kind of conditions? Take one by one two conditions. Like first, either K equal to 0 or 6 minus K is equal to 0. So answer is So answer is K is equal to 6. So what you got, student? This is K is equal to 0, K is equal to 6. It is K equal to plus and K equal to minus 6. So what is a common case? So common value of, very important sentence, common value of K is, obviously in first two cases we got plus and minus 6. Obviously in second two cases we got K is equal to 0 and K is equal to 6. So what is the common answer? Plus 6 plus 6. That is a common K. That's why in full of the question, what is the value of K? K equal to 6. That is very interesting case. Whenever infinite condition comes, take one by one two conditions and find the common value. That will be the answer. Okay, students, I think you have got, because you can view as many time until you won't get properly on YouTube. Still, if you have any doubt, you can consult with me. Now I will move on to next some questions. Look at it is exercise 3.5. Okay, I would say something. You can read the question. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinite solution? If in case of any unique solution, find it by cross multiplication method. But we haven't learned the cross multiplication method. Okay. So we can also find the solution by elimination method, by substitution method, which already we have studied. But first of all, we have to check it. Like I want to say something. Why it is told? Okay. Suppose you have a question like this and this, and I ask you that solve this. So you will start. What you prefer? Suppose elimination method. Suppose elimination method you want to use here. So what you will do? Like you will make coefficient equal. In very short I will tell you. Suppose I want to cancel x. So what will come? 2 and 4. The LCM is 4. I want to make it 4, so that I will multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Same. Because I didn't multiply by anything. So I'll minus, and unfortunately these also to cancel. What remaining? Nonsense. It means that in these two cases solution is not possible. So what kind of solution there is? So only this condition, first question says check it. I fairly ask you one thing. Suppose it is 2 here, and I ask you one thing, solve it. You again multiply by 2. Now 2 2s are 4. 4x plus 2 3s are 6y. 2 1s are 2. Now it is same. You will see that all cancel. Again nonsense case. But let me fairly say that this shows infinite solution, and previous case was no solution. But x and y we cannot obtain. So I want to say, before solving that, can you check that whether it is what kind of solution? Because finally I would say, if system has unique solution, student, only that time you can find x and y. When system has unique solution, only then you can find x and y by any method. But if system has infinite solution, you cannot find out. If system has no solution, obviously that time also you cannot find out. So question of the 3.5 says, first you check that what kind of solution that is. If it is unique solution, then solve by your preferable method. The question says in book by cross multiplication method, but it is not in our syllabus, that's why we will drop. So we can solve by any method. So no matter at all, initial first question of on all, you can choose any method. Like if I would say you fourth one, and question says x minus 3y minus 7 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. I ask you, first question says find the kind of solution. What kind of solution that is? So okay, in very hurry, I would say, what is a1? 1. What is a2? Minus 3. What is, b1? And c1? Minus 7. a2? 3. b2? Minus 3. c2? Minus 15. What is a1 upon a2? 1 by 3. What is b1 upon b2? I think it is good enough. It is 1. So I don't need to find c1 upon c2. Why? Because a1 upon a2 seems not equal to b1 upon b2. Look at these two are different. And what is its meaning? System has unique solution. Unique solution. In your book, in very first question, it is specially told, first judge the condition kind of solution. If it is unique solution, then find. Because in except cases like no solution, like infinite solution, you cannot find the solution by any method. So don't worry. Only in case of unique solution you can find your solution. Like in this case, you can find the solution. Now you have to write the equations again. Now by equations x minus 3y, I want to write equal to 7. Equal to 7. It is not necessary equal to 15. Now I again ask you that in your book it is what told? By cross multiplication method. But we haven't studied that. That's why we have what methods? Elimination method and substitution method. So we will use whatever the preferable. Elimination is good. It's a minus and minus. 3y, 3y already same. So we will only use, we won't make any coefficient equal because already y and y same. So we subtract. Why we subtract? Because this time I need to change the sign because both signs are equal. So it will plus, now it is plus, will changes a minus and this changes a minus. So both will cancel. So plus x and minus x will be minus 2x equal to this 2 will be minus 8. So x is equal to minus 8 upon minus 2. So answer is a 4. So put x equal to 4 by equation, any equation you can choose, student. Like this equation I'm choosing. So x equal to 4 you will choose here. So what come 4 minus 7 equal to 3y. So this is minus 3 equal to 3y. So y is equal to minus 1. That's an answer. So this is not a nothing, new thing. You just have to go by these words because question says first check and then find. If you will not be told to check, you can directly use this method. You need not do all these things. But if you are told, okay, do this and then do by this. Okay, so this was only the concept of question number 1. So hope your student got till question number 1. So do all the question number 1. Now question 2 and fairly I would say question 3rd. It is written by cross multiplication method. You know that we don't want to do by the cross multiplication method. So alternatively, question number 3rd you can make by the substitution method or elimination method by your wishing. Okay, question number 2 is very important. Last question of the day. Question number 2. Question number 2 and I'm choosing 1. Find A and B when system has infinite solution. Very important it is. 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Very important question. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So quick I would go. 2 equations we are having. Already arranged. A1x plus b1y equal to c1. a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Already arranged. And system has what kind of solution? Infinite solution. So very quick I would go. Solution. I'm not compare. Okay, I do compare. By comparing that sentence I'm not writing. by comparing a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. I am not writing that, I am directly comparing a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 7, a2 equal to a minus b, b2 equal to a plus b, and c2 is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Since system has infinite solution, so that a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Now put up the values, guys. It is 2 upon a minus b, 3 upon a plus b, and 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now take one by one both conditions. First I'll choose 2 upon a minus b and 3 upon a plus b. Do the cross multiply and get your one equation like 2a plus 2b is equal to cross multiply 3a minus 3b. Now 3b I will transfer, 2b plus 3b 5b, and 3a minus 2a a. Equation number 1. It is equation number 1. Now take second condition. Anyone you can choose, but you have to engage this one. So I am choosing these two. 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Do the cross multiplication. 3 is a 9a, 3b 6, 7a 7b. Okay, 9a minus 7a, do transfer, it is 2a. 3b and minus 7b will be, it's a 4b, and minus 6 is equal to 0. Meaning I did transfer and solve it. Okay, it also can be deduced by dividing 2. A by 2, 2b by 2, 2, 3. I divided by 2. I got this one. So this is first equation. This is second equation. Now you can deal these two. It is a linear equation in A and B. It is a linear equation in A and B. So what method we have learned? Substitution method and elimination method. For don't get confused. It is a to the power 1, b to the power 1. It is a to the power 1, b to the power 1. Meaning they are linear equation, pair of linear equation. You can find the values of a and b by elimination method also, and substitution method is also. So here substitution method is looking good because the value of a already 5b. The value of a equal to already 5b. Put a equal to 5b in that equation. This is substitution method. Now by 1 what you will write? Instead of a what you will prefer? 5b. So you write here instead of a 5b. It is what method? Substitution method. Minus 2b. And I transfer to 3 that side. So I don't want to write this. It is 3b equal to 3. So b equal to 3 by 3 1. Now by this equation, guys, by 1 what is a equal to? 5b. 5b. So a equal to 5 into 1. So a equal to 5 1 is 5. So you got a and b. Sorry, b and a. This is a method. Hope student you got. Now do question number 1 complete. Question 2 I have made here. But prepare your fair copy along with me. Don't drop that work. Okay. And question number second of the question 2 is very important. Please make it. Question number 4, which is actually word problems. So try to do this and make equations also. If you will succeed to form the pair of linear equation, then you can solve by any method except cross multiplication method. Okay, student, we'll discuss it tomorrow. Thank you.